Hey guys, we're going to change the passenger side of a Jeep Grand Cherokee. So this is the passenger side, and any 2011 all the way up to about 2020 or 2019 will all be the same. So there's really two ways to do this. I'll recommend the way I'm going to do, but I'll show you the other way. So you can go through the actual under the hood, which is the easier route, or you can go up underneath by the tire, all the way up where the actual light is. But for the purposes of this, it's easier to actually go through the actual roof here. So to begin, we just want to create a little bit of space so we can get our hands in there. So there's a little attachment here that you'll unclip. It'll come undone. And then also this little thing right here can come right out. So it just pops right out. You can just like move to the side here. This will just create a little bit more room. So then once you got that, what we're gonna do is get our hand in here. We're gonna unscrew the lid of the actual light. So the actual light is right under here, and you'll feel like a cap. And what you'll do is just work your way in here, and then just really unscrew the actual cap. So it's easier said than done. I did loosen it so it'll be a little easier, but this is what the actual cap looks like. So it'll take a few minutes probably get that off. After you do that, you're gonna stick your hand in. You're gonna feel for the actual light itself. So this is it right here. You're gonna wanna do a quarter turn to loosen it, and then it will pop out. So after you do that quarter turn, it will pop out. So let me do that. Again, this might take a few minutes to just get your hands in there, get it loose, and then have it pull out. So this quarter turn is a turn to get this thing to pop right out. So then I got it popped out. So once you get it popped out, which is what I did there, let me come over and get in here. So you'll see the actual light, and it will be right on this, whoops, I dropped it. Be right on a little wire here. So what you're gonna do is pop that light out and then replace it with a new one. So that's what we will do next here. So this next part here is where we're gonna actually take off the light itself. So let me do that. It'll just pop right off. Here's the old light that does not work anymore. And then we're going to replace it with a new one. What we want to make sure of is that you don't touch the light bulb. Sometimes with the oils of your hands, it will cause the light bulb to bust or kind of break itself. So just don't touch the light, so then you know that you'll be good. So once you got that, you'll just clip it right in. That's the first step, and then you're just gonna work it back into the actual light again. So once we get it in there, we'll stick it in the little socket, and just the way we got it out, you're gonna put it in and give it like a little quarter turn to lock it. So then again, this might take a few minutes to get it, so you got a little twist it a little bit and get it to pop in, which I did. After that, you'll take this light cap here, or this cap, throw it on, give it a little twist, and then go from there and finish it up. So all right, and once the cap is on, that's when we're going to throw everything back together. So just finished putting the cap on. This piece will just come right here, and then it'll clip right in. So it goes like that. Then we'll plug this part back in. Fairly easy to do. Clips right back in like that, and we'll be good to go. So now we're just going to start up the car and show you a finished project. Here we go. The front lights. I guess I should turn them on, huh? Let's turn these puppies on. Working the driver's side, working passenger side. And that's pretty much a done deal. Subscribe and comment below.